Hello guys,
Maybe I can do this.
today we are making Boba slime.
Don't open that.
I already did. The moment when I got this, I opened it.
Oh my.
Basically, I don't know anything about slime, but
Papa is coming.
Papa's gonna be like, go to sleep na.
Bahala ka ate.
My dad is coming upstairs.
Ayan si Papa. Keep that. Keep that.
Papa!
Ito si Ninang. Quiet.
Me. 5 minutes.
Go to bed.
5 minutes.
Tapos na naman.
Please, 5 minutes.
Jepe, dito ata ka.
I gotta prepare something for school. I need to prepare something for school. Oh my gosh.
Huwag ka maingay. Natutulog na si Ninang. Oh no, paulit-ulit ka naman.
No, Mama. Actually, I need to prepare something for school. Oh my gosh. Where's my pencil case? This is not my pencil case. Mama, have you seen my pencil case? The one that says glitter is better?
No, what kind of pencil case?
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry,
Alisin
JP.
mo nga yung board na yan kasi makaka-accident naman yan.
Ate, Mama, can you to make beer? Mama, how to make beer?
Di.
I gotta find my pencil.
Di. Okay. Di. Di.
I can't find it.
Ate, Jepe. Ate, nalaglag mo yung sando. Oh.
The what?
Yung sando ni Ate.
Oh. My sando.
Sando.
My sando, not sando ni JP.
Tapos muna. Tubuhan mo ito.
Okay.
Natutulog na ako.
I need to do something. I completely forgot.
Papa na. 5 minutes is over. Ate Adi, go to your room. You want to sleep there?
Yeah.
Go to your room now.
Okay. I have to do this quick. Oh my gosh, I can't even. This is all I can do.
Ay, tutulog na ako. JP, stand up. Let's go to my room.
You wanna make it fall in love?
JP,
Well, let I not think about you. Wanna try my baby? Thinking of. Ooh, I hear you knocking, baby. Come on out.
JP,
You know
stand up na anak.
you make me to know. I'll let you make me to know. Oopsie, sorry guys. We're going back to school tomorrow. I got 7 hours to sleep.
Okay, let's go to bed now.
Okay, bye guys.